Searching for a delicious vegan cookies recipe without butter that is soft, tasty, healthy, and will melt in your mouth? Well, you came to the right place because aside from the things mentioned, these cookies are chewy in the middle, hardly crisp on their edges, and loaded with chocolate chips. Vegan baking is not difficult to do because you are just making minor adjustments and substituting several ingredients done in traditional baking. So no butter, no problem. This recipe used refined coconut oil instead of butter because it gives the cookies a much delectable flavor and texture. And the best thing about it is that no one will even notice that it is vegan since it tastes so similar to homemade chocolate chip cookies. What you will need. Ingredients: ½ cup white sugar, 3/4 cup dark brown sugar, packed, a teaspoon of salt, ½ cup refined coconut oil, melted, 1/4 cup non-dairy milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups flour, 4-ounce vegan dark chocolate, chunks, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 4-ounce vegan chocolate chips. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Whisk together in a large bowl white sugar, brown sugar, salt, and coconut oil until combined. Add the non-dairy milk and vanilla. Whisk until the batter is smooth and all the sugar has dissolved. Step 2. Sift together the flour and baking soda in a large bowl, then evenly fold the mixture using a rubber spatula. Step 3. Next, add the vegan chocolate chips and chunks to the mixing bowl. Fold in the chocolate chunks evenly. Step 4. Set it aside and chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Prepare your baking sheet and place the baking paper. With the use of your ice cream scooper, scoop it out onto the baking paper. Make sure to give it space between the edges of the baking sheet so it can spread evenly. Step 6. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until cookies have turned golden brown. Take it out from the oven and place it on a cooling rack. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. When baking these cookies, make sure to work swiftly because coconut oil will eventually return to room temperature. That will stiffen the dough and make it harder for you to bake. Feel free to add more chocolate chips to your heart's desire. You can also add nuts or flake some sea salts. Coconut oil has a tolerance for high temperatures. It is a replacement for other fats such as butter and shortening. Likewise, it is a good pan prep fat. Search for high-quality chocolate created with sugar and cocoa butter. Keep in mind that cookies resume cooking as they cool down, so do not overbake them. Also, these are vegan cookies, so it is okay that it is a bit undercooked. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.